55 minutes.
So then I'll fall asleep also at the same time. Perfect.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Padma. Aparna has
Verse
not
8,
joined today. So funny. Bolo.
verse 8 and 9,
Hmm.
the Sankhya Yogi who knows reality of things,
Hmm.
he knows that it is the senses that are moving amongst the objects.
Hmm.
So for him to know this, he should constantly be thinking. His thinking should be like that, no? Constant
No.
discrimination. That happens in the mind, no? So his thinking should always be on that line. So he should constantly think. No?
Okay, it is like this. The thinking is done by
The mind.
those who are connected to the mind. Okay. Now think about an animal.
It's just
When
programmed.
you see the animal sees the suppose the lion sees a deer, he is not thinking.
If he's hungry, he'll pounce on him.
Yeah, his stomach does the thinking. Bola, I am hungry, let's
So
eat.
need based, that's all.
No, in the animals it is instinct.
Instinct and need based.
Yeah, something like that. But for a yogi, it is completely different. The yogi's mind doesn't seem to exist. Remember this. Mind is there for the yogi, but it doesn't seem to exist. So the actions are happening in the organs itself.
Disconnected from the mind.
Yeah, that means it is like I explained yesterday that if you see a very luscious apple in front of you, you are seeing an apple in front of you. Who is it that adds the word luscious?
The mind.
It's the mind. Because it thinks it's a very beautiful thing to eat. Abhi, now you see holes in the apple. Okay, and it's a rotten one. So immediately the mind is making the judgment that it is rotten. See, I told you, the moment something hits you, if there is a cogitation of even one singular thought attaching to it, that means one single thought appearing in the horizon means your mind has got used. Now, object is seen, mind doesn't get used, the hands move and the person eats that apple. So he doesn't know that he has eaten, he doesn't know that he has seen, he doesn't know that his hands has picked up. Yet the apple is eaten. Just the way our heart beats without our knowledge. It is not telling you, now I am going to beat, now I am going to beat, now I am. ऐसा तो नहीं बोल के करता है ना. In the same way, our stomach also works without your action. We call it involuntary. It is happening on its own when it is required. Now something entering the stomach will automatically send the juices, start churning and all that, isn't it?
Yeah.
There is no such thing that it is going to wait.
Yeah.
Now, is the stomach bothered how much I am going to eat from that?
No.
I am an organ. I am stomach. I am doing this great job. Should I keep this, 90% of the apple, 10% I'll give to others? ऐसा stomach तो करता नहीं. It is working as a part of the whole body.
Yeah.
It is doing the job and then it is pushing to the small intestine. It doesn't say, I want to retain something. You see, this is called the action which has happened where there is no such thing as a desire.
Yeah.
Okay? So that when he says these words, there are no desires. So your individual organs inside the body, that is the gods inside the body, are performing the actions for the sake of action alone, without retention, without a desire, without a need. See, Everybody has a need, not that it don't have. Like the stomach has a need. I need some blood so that I can, work well. I need the energy. Yet it is not saying that I want to keep. But see how human beings are. अगर एक बच्चा है उसको 10 जेम्स दिया और उसको बोला कि देखो 5 जन हैं, तुम लोग 5 जन हो, बांट के खा लो, ये बच्चा क्या करेगा? अभी 4 ग्रीन कलर का है, 2 रेड कलर का है, वो उसको जो कलर है वो छुपा के रखेगा, और जो उसको पसंद नहीं है, वॉट एवर ही डजंट लाइक, ही इज गोइंग टू रिमूव वन एंड गिव. Remember, it is to be 2 per person, whereas he is going to give 1 only.
Yeah, he uses his mind. Yeah.
Yeah, he has used his mind and he has used all the desires possible in the world. So it is not self-controlled, it's not controlled at all. Now in our material world, the yogi who is a Sankhya yogi has controlled his mind is under his control. So no thought will tend to appear. Even if it appears, it will fall off on its own. It is not going to disturb him. But a Sankhya yogi who says, see, I am not a karma yogi at all, I am a Sankhya yogi, is the biggest fool of all. Because any person who is doing analysis of God is
like in
also,
verse 6 he says,
everything he is using his eyes, his ears, his mouth, he is doing actions, he is breathing, he is drinking, he is sleeping, he is getting up, he is going to the toilet, he is doing every possible thing in this planet Earth. That is what Krishna has said over here. The Sankhya yogi, even though seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, he is doing everything. You can't have a person saying that I am a Sankhya yogi, I am the highest of the yogis, I don't do anything, I am not a part of karma. Karma is action based, correct? We have to keep on doing action. There is nobody on this planet Earth who can say I can become actionless. Even if you are the highest yogi of whatever kind, I'm sorry, you will have to do action. Even if it is a Gautam Buddha who has become, a Buddha, he has to do actions. He has to eat, drink, everything he has to do. And he has to move from place to place. So action is a part and parcel of everybody's life. But the action that has to be done should be without any desires. Okay, it should be desireless and you are not bothered about the results. See, please understand, results are already programmed in you, correct Anna?
Yeah.
समझ में आया? Results are already written. So do you think by your thinking the results are going to change?
No.
No.
It will only becomes a motivated action and accrues karma.
Yeah, it accrues karma. This is the whole problem which people forget. Because you are going to think, I have to work hard, I have to do this, I have to do this. Okay, so then what happens? Then I will get better salary, then I will get better this, then I will get better that.
Yeah, the I also comes to the fore.
Exactly. Every time when this happens, you are going to put yourself into a bigger and a bigger trouble. So why not just do the work that comes your way? Don't put your thoughts also into it. Don't put multiple thoughts in it. Because the moment you have multiple thoughts, it's going to create a lot of loops in the system. It is like there is this movie of Kamala Hassan, Vishwarupam. Do you see how much of news and media and this and that and television and God knows so much of politics involved in it?
Yes. So much of bloodshed also now.
And it is such a terrible thing. I mean, there is no need for such a thing yet. How a small thing can disturb the entire universe? Can you imagine that? What is the big deal? It's a film. It's a small film. But we want to taint it. See, today in the mind, I wrote about, today in my Radha Krishna, I wrote about how things are, and I wrote in my this thing also, how just some stupid thing, which has no value can disturb this whole universe. It's just a tremor, and the tremor can cause so much of a problem in the universe. Why are we getting into so much trouble? Because we let our mind dwell on the subject, and when the mind dwells on the subject, there is
And
going to be,
extrapolates.
yes, there will be one thought, then another, then another, then another, then another, and the thoughts just keep on multiplying and multiplying and multiplying. And just like I said, that these in San Francisco, there is this what is called as the line, which there is two plates have joined over there, and every now and then there is these earthquakes which happen. These are like India, the tectonic plates which we used to say in the past. A land broke away from Africa and came and joined, and the whole Himalayas got formed. What is it that makes the land crack? The tremors below the surface.
The
Okay.
undercurrents.
Yeah. No, the magma, that's the loose, that
Soil.
fiery thing which is there inside the volcanoes. That is just, it's like a river. It is just flowing, and sometimes it flows cross, and sometimes it shakes what is on top of it. It is like if you have seen a cappuccino or a latte.
Yeah.
Okay. Now when they draw that beautiful thing on top, you think you can lift it and drink it or what? No.
No. Only for the
When
eyes.
you stir it, the top portion is going to get disturbed, isn't it? So it is going to get disturbed, and then it is going to become a homogeneous mixture. So like that, imagine something from below is shaking, and on top whatever is there is getting you.
Yeah.
Now, our mind is exactly like this. Our mind is full of this magma. It has got a lot of these moving things. So one thought leads to another, leads to another, leads to another, makes us lose our cool.
Yeah.
We get disturbed immediately, and
And lose
sometimes
our
we
focus.
burst out like a volcano. We get very angry and we burst out, and we feel, okay, what is this? And then we burst out.
No, so someone who's on the path,
Hmm.
you know, he also says, who knows the reality of things must believe. That means this belief will come only when you talk to yourself, that the senses are moving amongst the objects.
Believe in whom? I couldn't catch it because your video got frozen.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, the
So,
first line, he says, the Sankhya yogi who knows the reality of things must believe that it is the senses that are moving amongst their objects. So
Correct.
constantly the person on the path should keep talking to himself, no?
No. It is a
Should
belief
keep telling
system.
himself.
It's a belief. See, today, now your name is Padma. Do you need to believe that your name is Padma?
No,
No, it's an accepted fact.
it's yeah.
So
It's
this
granted,
Sankhya
yes.
yogi who is a realized soul, for him there is no such thing as I want to know, I have to believe, I am that. ये सब सोचना नहीं पड़ता. He knows he is that. It's like your name. Nobody needs to, you don't need to remind yourself that your name is so and so. You just know it, and you don't even think about it, isn't it? There is no
So
thought.
firm. Okay.
Yeah, there is no thought involved. There is no such thing as you are going to write a nameplate and say, oh, and every time look at it and say my name is so and so. कुछ नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. You don't need to even dwell on the subject matter. You just are there. That's it. All right. So that is the reason why we have to just believe in who we are. That's it. And continue with it. Just knowing who you are and just continue with it. That's it. You don't have to stress on any matters. And don't give the mind a chance to play cricket match over there. नहीं तो क्रिकेट फुटबॉल सब खेलने को चालू करता है वो. And one mind is enough to destroy your happiness. So that is what Sankhya Yogi should not do. So we'll just start from there wherever we left.
Yeah.
I think we stopped at 10, no?
10,
I will do
yes.
about 5 verses, that is till 15, okay, today. The Karma Yogis perform action only with their senses, mind, intellect and body as well, without the feeling of mind in respect to them and shaking of attachments, simply for the sake of self purification. Now, what does the Karma Yogi do? Karma Yogi is doing actions with his body, isn't it? He is keeping on doing actions with his senses and body and everything. Whatever action that needs to be performed, he is performing them. This is one thing that you have to understand. Action, even if you are a Sankhya Yogi or a Karma Yogi, has to be done. All actions we got to do, right? Even sitting on the fence is an action, by the way. People want to sit on the fence. I don't want to take a decision on this aspect or that aspect. How many times people have said these words? You know Balaram. Balaram is the tower of strength that we have. And what do? When you are supposed to take sides, we don't want to project ourselves as the mighty one or the strong one. Now today, think about it. If there is a political fight going on between, say, on one side Sonia Gandhi and on the other side Lal Krishna Advani, what are you going to do? You are either going to side Sonia Gandhi or you are going to side Lal Krishna Advani. So BJP या कांग्रेस है, कोई तो भी एक साइड करेगा. But will you show you are mightier than them? No. You just want to take sides, that's it. Now who is this person who will say, I am neutral, I don't take sides? Okay. This is Mr. Balaram. He doesn't want to disturb this fellow and he doesn't want to disturb that fellow also. What does he do? He says, मैं कौरवा के साइड में भी नहीं हूँ, मैं पांडवा के साइड में भी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि कौरवा के जो खास दुर्योधन है is my great dear student and Bhima is also my dear and I can't fight against my brother. Though his brother is not fighting, Krishna is not going to fight, yet Balram says, I want to be neutral, I will go somewhere and sit. So then there are those people who want to be the fence sitters. They don't want to take sides. It's okay. Does not matter. By the way, they may think that they are the category called undecided.
But they are also
we have undecided as a category. There is no undecided category. The destiny has already decided what they are supposed to do.
Yeah.
They are supposed to be undecided. So they have to sit in the middle. Not do anything about it. So now this Karma Yogi, he is supposed to do actions. So he keeps on performing actions with his senses, mind, intellect and body, without the feeling of meum or mind. I am doing it, I am doing it, I am doing it, I am doing it. Every time a person says, मैंने किया, मैंने किया, मैंने किया, मैं कर रहा हूँ, देखो मैंने ऐसा किया, देखो मैंने वैसा किया. He is taking credit for it.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, how can you take credit when you don't have anything? देखो ऐसा है कि आप गए हैं मोनोपोली खेलने. हाँ, मोनोपोली में तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन you have to take from the bank, isn't it? So at the end of the day, it is not your money. Good morning, Karuna. Yeah. So it's not your money. You are taking money from somewhere else, and then you are using it. But why are you taking credit that it is your money? It is at the end of the day, it is not yours. It is only for using, for the purpose of using it, right? So you use the money. Hmm? So first, in the Karma Yogi's life, he has to understand, ना मैं कुछ लेके आया हूं ना मैं कुछ लेके जाऊंगा, ये सब अल्लाह की देन है. दिस इज ऑल गॉड्स गिविंग. आई एम ओनली लिविंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड. आई एम जस्ट वो जो आते जाते लोग रहते हैं, होटल में आता है, रहता है और होटल छोड़ के चला जाता है. हाँ, ट्रांजिट, ट्रैवलर. So he has to consider himself only as a traveler. He can't go to a hotel and say ये टॉवेल बहुत अच्छा है, ये मैं लेके जाता हूँ, ये साबुन बहुत अच्छा है, ये मैं लेके जाता हूँ. Not allowed. You can't carry anything in your world and you can't say this is mine. होटल का छाप रहता है ना, ताज महल होटल लिखा है. वैसे ही है ना, this material world belongs to God. This whole universe belongs to Him. You have come over here only to use it and go. And in the corridor of the hotel, or when you have gone for this breakfast and all that, you are meeting everybody. They are just fellow travelers. But what do? We call them mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle. सब नाम देते हैं हम उनको. जैसे अगर मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ तो मेरे को किसी ने तो भी स्टॉप किया और बोला, अंकल अंकल, your $10 have fallen. अंकल देखेगा भी नहीं, क्योंकि अंकल के पास $10 रहेगा तो गिरेगा ना. समझ में आया? तो by the way, I have to tell you all something. I didn't know about this, okay, till I opened my purse to see. Do you remember that incident with that Malaysian police fellow? You know, that narcotics chap?
Okay.
Okay.
Last week, yeah.
Okay, what happened was I had given him my purse. Now, some of you great folks had given me some dollars. This guy pilfered $200 from my purse.
You didn't even know it was there.
I didn't know about it. Now, this was happening in front of Rajeshri and my eyes. And he was like Chris Angel. He managed to sneak those $200 from my purse from God knows where.
Oh my God.
And so naturally, when I told Raj and I told Kalpana also, they all got angry. How can this? No, but I told them, देखो ऐसा है कि उसको शायद देना मेरा कुछ ऋण था, देने का था, या फिर हम में से जिन्होंने ये कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, पद्मा ने दिया है, समझो ब्रिटो ने दिया है, समझो अपर्णा ने दिया है, समझो सैंतीस ने दिया, किसी ने दिया है, वो आदमी तक पहुंचने का था, इसीलिए $200 स्वाहा हो गया उधर. तो आप लोगों का मैंने है ना कुरियर सर्विस का काम किया. तो अभी जब $10 गिरा हुआ नीचे याद आया ना, तभी मेरे को ये सडनली टिक हो गया. So anyway, so that was an amazing experience with the narcotics department of Malaysia. Truly Asia. They represent India also, because it's Asian, you know. We are supposed to be the greatest con men on earth. अपना इंडिया में ऐसा पैसा फेंक के दूसरा पैसा लेके जाता है. So they have learned from us very nicely. So coming back to this, so this person, he has to understand that he is only a traveler. So this yogi, who is a karma yogi, knows these very well. So he is just using everything in the material world and keeping it back. So he doesn't take it belongs to me, I am the doer, I am the doer. ये जो onus है वो ले नहीं सकता. He cannot take this onus at all. So nothing belongs to him. Okay. So this is the major reason why he can get out of this loop. Imagine if he says, this is mine, this is mine. वो होटल सिक्योरिटी सीधा अंदर डाल देगा उसको. So without the feeling of mine in respect to them and shaking of attachments. Shaking of attachments, when we meet fellow travelers, no, and we keep on talking to them, finally what do? Can I have your telephone number? Can I have your email ID? अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद हाँ या वी एस्टैब्लिश रिलेशनशिप्स and we get attached to them. So in the same way, when we meet our first fellow traveler, when we embark on a journey, the first fellow traveler is our mother. वो मॉम को पूछा तेरा टेलीफोन नंबर क्या है, तेरा ईमेल आईडी क्या है, बोला तू मेरा बैंक है, अभी सब तेरे से लेगा दूध से लेके पैसा से लेके सब तेरा ही हम लोग लूटने वाले हैं.
Completely parasitical.
Yeah. So we think that is our bank, my bank limited. तो ऐसा हो जाता है हम लोग का, and we behave like this. So this karma yogi is always supposed to leave this meum, its mind, no attachments. This is my mother, this is my father, this is my uncle, this is my aunt, this is my brother. Sorry, he stays in room number 2001, he stays in room 2002. Maybe, why? समझ में आया ना? Pari lives in the room 1997. Something like that, isn't it? When were you born, man? 1997 or some 93?
93.
93. Sorry, मेरे खोपड़ी नहीं चलता है. Okay. Oh, because here we have to reset the timing. Okay. The phone is. So, simply for the sake of self-purification. So, no attachments and having a no feeling of this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. This person will get self-purified. The purification happens. Otherwise, lot of viruses come in us. Virus. Offering the fruit of action to God, the karma yogi attains everlasting peace in the form of God realization, whereas he who works with a selfish motive, being attached to the fruit of action through desire, gets tied down. So the karma yogi is supposed to do the work only for God. I told you this whole world belongs to God alone. He only is the creator of this. Okay, and we have come in this world. See, when you go to somebody's house, now if you go to your office, are you working over there? Do you consider it, this is my, I will take this chair, I will take this computer, I will take this person and I will go. ऐसा थोड़ी बोलते हैं हम लोग. No, nothing is yours. Even if you go to a class, okay, you can't say this is my desk, this is my chalk, this is my blackboard. हम लोग ऐसा थोड़ी बोल के हम लोग घर को थोड़ी लेके जाते हैं. In the same way, you are only supposed to be there and listen to the lecture. In the same way, say Brito and Senthil have to be in their office. I have come to work over here. Nothing belongs to you. You are only a नौकर. नौकर बोले तो वहां पे नौकरी करने को गए हैं. समझ में आया? तो we have to be, we are a servant class. All of us are servant class. Master is only one, and we have to work for that master. किचन में जाके चोरी करके नहीं खा सकते हम लोग. So, अपने को जितना खाने को मिलता है उतना. लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं ऑफिस में, और दिस पेंसिल आई यूज्ड, आई विल टेक इट होम. और पेन यूज्ड, विल टेक दैट होम ऑल्सो.
Laptop also.
Okay. In my house, no, I have a printer. My paper is over. ऑफिस में बहुत पड़ा है, वैसे भी मैं ही यूज करता हूँ. चलो मैं घर को लेके जाके वो वहां पे यूज करता हूँ. तो पेपर भी घर को लेके गए. वाह. Don't you think that is called chori?
Security is bad then in that company. Security in that company.
Yeah. Actually, God's world is like that only. He is not having any policeman over there. But cameras all over the place, okay? All actions are getting recorded. So, and you cannot get out of it. The punishment comes afterwards, not now. When you are due for this, जब भी हम लोगों का रिन्यूअल आता है ना, कोई भी चीज का रिन्यूअल आता है तभी बराबर ये सब है ना सामने रखेगा. See, you did like this, you did like this, you did like this. So now tell me, why should I do this for you? गए ना काम से. It's the same thing, like you default on some say interest payment to the bank. बैंक एक दो बार, वो जो क्रेडिट कार्ड का वो क्या है, फर्स्ट टाइम सेकंड टाइम है ना, वो लोग 50 रुपया लगा के तुम्हारा थोड़ा डिलेड पेमेंट का ये डाल देंगे. आखिर में 1 बरस तक तुमने पेमेंट नहीं किया तो तुम्हारे नाम पे है ना सब 25,000 रहेगा. यू ओवर 65,000. तभी अपने को है ना शॉक बैठा, बोला ये 65 किधर से आया, मैं तो खाली 25 लिया था. बोला इंटरेस्ट पे इंटरेस्ट पे इंटरेस्ट पे इंटरेस्ट पे इंटरेस्ट लगेला है, तो उसमें मैं क्या करूं. समझ में आया. इन द एंड ओनली वी कम टू नो अबाउट इट. सो दिस इज वेयर द होल प्रॉब्लम लाइज. सो द पर्सन, द कर्म योगी, he has to do everything for God. So he does everything for this great man only, not for himself. He's just a nokar chakar over there. But there are others who don't do for God. They say, I own this, I own this, ये मेरा है, ये मेरा है, ये मेरा है. और हर एक इसमें डिजायर रखते. He is always attached to this. He doesn't think he is doing anything for God. He only thinks that he is doing for himself. And the moment he thinks he is doing for himself, it becomes a selfish motive. When it becomes a selfish motive, he is going to get attached to the fruits. Fruits मतलब मैंने ऐसा किया तो ऐसा मिलता है, ऐसा किया तो ऐसा मिलता है. So ऐसा मिलता है ना, अच्छा ठीक है वो ले ले, और उसके साथ है ना बड़ा पनिशमेंट भी आएगा. बोला ना एंड ऑफ द ईयर में बड़ा बिल आएगा. वैसा है. इन द सेम वे यू विल बी एकदम बड़ा बिल आ जाएगा. ईमेल नहीं होता है वो, नहीं, वो प्रिंटेड आता है अपना कर्मा के अंदर, बैंक ऑफ कर्मा लिमिटेड. The self-control Sankhya Yogi does nothing himself and gets nothing done by others, rests happily in God, the embodiment of truth, knowledge and bliss, mentally relegating all actions to the mansion of 9 gates, the body with 9 openings. Now the Sankhya Yogi is a knowledgeable person. He knows he is not the doer. He knows very well, because he has understood the actions are not a cup of tea for him. They are not his forte. So he just sits and watches all his 9 gates do the job. आंख से दिखता है. मैं क्या करूं. There is a song, सिकंदर ने पोरस से की थी लड़ाई, तो मैं क्या करूं. जॉनी वॉकर का बहुत सुंदर एक सॉन्ग है. He says this, it's exactly like this Sankhya Yogi. So Johnny Walker Sankhya Yogi. So he says my eyes saw, तो मैं क्या करूं. My nose smelled, तो मैं क्या करूं. मेरे ears heard, so मैं क्या करूं. So he is like that. He just allows the 9 gates to do their job. Okay. So sense organs and the action, correct. So all these things, they just keep on doing what they are supposed to do. But Sankhya Yogi says, I don't do. He doesn't take that I-ness in him. मैंने किया वो नहीं बोलता. समझ में आया. जैसे हम लोग ऐसे फ्रेंड लोग रहते हैं 4-5, तभी है ना पीछे से हाथ डाल के टुप करके एक पीछे से लगाएंगे, और फिर then we'll keep on looking like this. You know this, no? We have always done this as a child. ऐसे किसी के टकले पे ऐसा जोर से टप करके मारने का, और इधर उधर देखने का. मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने किधर किया. तो इट्स द सांख्य योगी इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस. वो टकले पे मारता है, बट बोले मैंने किधर किया. सो ही सेज मेरे हाथ ने किया. समझे. सो हाथ करता है, मेरा पैर करता है. मेरे आंखों ने देखा, मैं क्या करूं, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. सो सांख्य योगी नोज दिस वेरी वेल. He understands that if he takes credit, then the karma is going to come on him. Okay. In the entire class, when there is a lot of noise going on and the teacher enters, 25 hands will point to one boy only. He was making noise, teacher. I was not doing anything. वो बेचारा उसने ना थोड़ा बहुत ही आवाज किया रहेगा, लेकिन पूरा क्लास उसके पास पॉइंट करता है. तो सच ए पॉइंट इन टाइम व्हाट इज दैट फेलो गोइंग टू डू? उसको तो बेचारे को मार पड़ेगी. बोलेगा गो टू प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफिस, गेट अ नोट फ्रॉम योर मदर, आई विल नॉट डिस्टर्ब द क्लास, राइट इट 100 times. लो. तो हियर द सांख्य योगी, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, हाँ, करके सर के सब हो गया, फिर भी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. नो क्रेडिट्स. He knows the eyes are going to see, the nose is going to smell, the ears are going to hear, the mouth is going to talk. ये ना होएगा, लेकिन उसको मालूम नहीं वो बड़बड़ कर रहा है कि नहीं. समझे? बिकॉज माइंड इल्ला, नो माइंड, हाँ, माइंडलेस चैटर. सो वैसा है वो. एवरी पार्ट ऑफ हिज बॉडी डज these actions without taking the credit for it. So this becomes a Sankhya Yogi. This person becomes liberated. God determines neither the doership nor the doings of men, but nor even their contact with the fruit of action, but it is nature alone that does all this. God will not tell you कि है ना तूने किया. The basis, the premise on which God looks at this entire universe. Remember the framework? The framework says roses are red, violets are blue. ऐसा एक पोएट्री था, बचपन में हम लोग बोलते थे. तो अभी वायलेट्स आर पर्पल एंड ग्रीन एंड ऑल तो बहुत तकलीफ होएगा ना. तो फ्रेमवर्क इज ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड. हाँ, it's just like, it's a very simple thing. The framework is established. You are not supposed to walk with your hands. You are
This is
supposed to
what is
walk.
referred to as universal principles.
Yes, Veda means universal principles only.
Sanatana Dharma.
Yeah, it's the framework on which this entire creation is written. कि ये ऐसा होगा. आदमी पैरों के साथ चलेगा, हाथ के साथ नहीं. बंदर 4 पैरों पे चलेंगे. See, everything is written, so they do that particular thing. So framework is written. God knows everything happens as per the framework. He knows it. रूल बुक तो उसी ने बनाया ना, उसको तो मालूम है. आदमी पैर से ही चलेगा, पैर से चलेगा तो कीड़े मरेंगे. हाँ, वो भी उसी ने लिखा है.
तो कर्म लगेगा.
हाँ, नहीं, सुनो. देखो, वो ऐसा दम धम 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 करके है ना 400 किलो का आदमी चल रहा है, तो पैर के नीचे कुछ नहीं तो 1000 एंट्स तो मरेंगे ना. एक स्टेप डाला,
आदमी चल नहीं सकता.
अच्छा ठीक है, जो ही इज रोलिंग. So when he is walking, dham, it's like the giant. I'm talking about a giant. When he walks, he doesn't know his feet are killing so many things. It's like when we walk, we don't know how many small creatures we have killed. It's already written in the framework that so many creatures are going to get killed. If so many creatures are going to get killed, the moment you look down and you say, oh my God, I stepped on a cockroach, he died, poor fellow. Khalas, lag gaya. You stepped on the cockroach, God is looking at you like this. Acha, I thought I put your leg on top of that. Oh, so you stepped on the cockroach, you take credit for that. Don't give me credit. समझ में आया? See, he has programmed you like that. He's programmed you, you are going to kill that fellow. And the moment, oh my God, I should not be doing this. You know, the Jains have this very funny way of looking at life. वो है ना ऐसा रब करके खाना पीना खाने के टाइम पे वो बोलते हैं कि जीव जंतु को खाना नहीं चाहिए. You know, that is the whole point of it. हम लोग ऐसे कितने लोगों को मारते हैं मालूम तो भी है. वो जो ऐसा मुंह के ऊपर ढक के रखते हैं उसमें कितने जर्म्स होंगे क्या मालूम. उसके एनालिसिस करेगा तो 1 मिलियन जर्म्स निकलेंगे, जो एवरी टाइम ही करता है तो 1 मिलियन 1 मिलियन 1 मिलियन 1 मिलियन 1 मिलियन 1 मिलियन. By the time 1 minute is over, he has killed over 1 billion germs.
He is actually breeding and killing.
Yeah. So then why this hypocrisy? So this thing, you taking credit, or you think you are saving somebody. अच्छा, तो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, I saved, I braked in time, that fellow got saved. अच्छा, oh good, God is looking like this. एक आंख बड़ा करके देखता है, मतलब अच्छा तेरे को क्रेडिट लेने का है, ले ले बेटा ले ले, तेरे को आखिर में मैं बताऊंगा. So God is very clear in his undertaking. He says, see, I make all this happen. I wrote it in that book only. It's like the program, Brito and Senthil write program, वो एंड रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, है ना. तो अभी बीच में कोई तो भी बोला, देख आज मैंने ऐसा किया तो आया. अच्छा तूने किया, वेरी गुड, ठीक, तू भी क्या याद करेगा, तूने किया ना, तो जो किया वो भी तेरा, जितने को लफड़ा हो गया वो भी तेरा. It's like that. Not only your credit, everybody else's credit will also come to you, because you are greater than me, no. When a person says, no, poor thing, I did this to somebody, or now this karma, how it is formed in a loop, I explained last week. Let me again give you a small glimpse of it. Now let us say I go to a shop, okay, and I buy one iPad from them. iPad na naya wala aaya, 128 GB, no holes in it, but I mean you can't download anything, you can't upload anything, you can't even do anything to it. Yeah, it has become a rotten apple. Yeah. So, like I was telling you, apple with so many holes, but this apple is without any holes. I can't even increase the memory, I can't even decrease it. There is no flash, nothing in it. I don't know why they are making such type of a dud, and they are charging $1,000, I believe. Isn't it $1,000, Bito? I don't know why to pay $1,000 also for that. Yeah. आज चाइना में जाएगा तो 100 में मिलेगा तुमको, $100 में मिलेगा वही आइटम. वो खाली उसके ऊपर एप्पल नहीं लिखा रहेगा, ऑरेंज लिखा रहेगा. तो ऐसा सब ये लोग करके रखते हैं. और जैसे जैसे वो लोग है ना क्रेडिट लेते रहते हैं. सपोज मैं गया ये लेने के लिए, एक तो पहले मैं उसको गाली देने वाला हूँ, साला इतना महंगा करके क्यों रखा तूने, हाँ. And then on top of it, I will tell him, I want discount, I want this, this is not there, that is not there. लेने का है मेरे को, 50 बात वो डीलर को सुना रहा है, हाँ. और on top of it, can I get this free, can I get that free. अपन इंडियन लोग बहुत उस्ताद है ये चीज में. बोलेगा इसके साथ ये फ्री मिलता है क्या, बोला नहीं. And then what you will do, no? Oh, this item comes free with it, no? Okay. वैसे भी ये आइटम फ्री है तो ये फ्री आइटम मैं लेके जाता हूँ. बोला आईपैड तो मैं मेरे भाई का यूज करेगा. You are giving this free, no? It is free anyway. We are so smart. So here the thing is, when we do this type of a thing and we take away somebody else's credit, that person is responsible to his company. His company gets less money. His company gets less money. The company has less money to pay. So it stops the supplier's credit. सप्लायर से जो लोगों को देने का रहता है वो पैसा लटका के रखता है. सप्लायर को पैसा लटका के रखेगा तो सप्लायर आगे जो डाउनलाइन है उसका पैसा लटकाएगा. तो चाइना में है ना, जिनको पैसा देने का रहेगा वो एम्प्लॉयज को पैसा ही नहीं मिलेगा, सैलरी नहीं मिलेगा. उसको सैलरी नहीं मिला तो वो गांव को पैसा नहीं भेजेगा, और गांव को पैसा नहीं भेजेगा तो उसका माँ बाप खा नहीं सकते, उसके माँ बाप खा नहीं सकते तो है ना खेती नहीं कर सकते, खेती बाड़ी नहीं कर सकते तो ग्रेन नहीं आएगा तो दुनिया को ग्रेन नहीं मिलेगा. और दुनिया को ग्रेन नहीं मिलेगा तो वहां पे सूखा और अकाल हो जाएगा। सूखा और अकाल हो जाएगा तो आप लोगों का ये सब, जस्ट बिकॉज यू डिडंट पे दिस डीलर। सी, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड। So do what you got to do in time. वो सरदार जी के जैसा नहीं करने का। Every day he would go and watch the movie. Okay, you know, don't know, okay, I will tell you. Sardar ji goes one day to watch movie. In that movie Jackie Chan is there and Mallika Sherawat. Okay, so every time when Mallika Sherawat is pulled like this, you know, from below that, if you remember that scene, she is pulled below that chariot or the moving wheels, all her clothes come off. Okay, and every time he would go, suddenly what used to happen, you know, like one chariot is there and another chariot would come like that, and then Mallika Sherawat is shown without, you know, now she is wearing clothes. But just when this was crossing, all her clothes were getting removed. Every day he would come to the theater to see the scene. So that वो जो आदमी है वो पूछता है, बॉस तू क्यों यार डेली डेली देखने को आता है? बोलता है, बॉस एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब ये ना सामने का रथ है ना वो थोड़ा लेट हो जाएगा। समझ में आया? Okay, this scene will continue, but this fellow will not come in the middle. He may be late slightly. इंडिया में चलता है ना, थोड़ा लेट आएगा तो चलता है। तो वैसे ये लेट अगर शॉट चालू हो गया तो फिर ये लेट तो मेरे को सब दिखेगा। ऐसा है प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में हमारा। तो वी आर ऑलवेज थिंकिंग लाइक दिस। So the doership is not in our hands. It's only the framework. God only is the doer. But the moment you take credit for it, God says, अच्छा चलो मेरा थोड़ा सा बोझ कम करने के लिए आदमी ने ले लिया, तू ही मर, ये पूरा दुनिया का बोझ तू संभाल, सारी दुनिया का बोझ हम उठाते हैं, गाना गाता है उस टाइम पे।
कूली
हाँ वही है ना। तो बोलता है तू कूली बन जा। एंड देन not the doing of men, the doings of men are programmed by me only, God says. Why is that man taking credit? Then, nor even with their contact of fruit of action, but it is nature alone that does all this. I have programmed the nature in such a way. The apple was programmed to fall on Newton's head. Theory of gravity. आ गया उसको। बट यू कांट से ना न्यूटन ऐसा देखते बैठा था, एप्पल फॉल डाउन, आई विल नो थियरी ऑफ ग्रेविटी। इमेजिन न्यूटन डूइंग लाइक दिस, then he will take credit. Oh, because the no, I let the apple fall on my head and then only I spouted theory of gravity. तो बहुत तकलीफ होएगा। So here the credit is given to the nature. The nature does everything. Remember, even the books, the holy books were written because nature programmed it like that. Got it? So don't take credit for anything. If you take credit, then you have to debit also. Then you are responsible for a lot of things. The omnipresent God does not partake of the virtue of sin of anyone. Knowledge is enveloped by ignorance, hence it is that beings are constantly falling a prey to delusion. See, God, please take my goodness and my badness also. हम लोग ऐसा प्रेयर में कभी कभी बोलते, please take all my sorrows and my sorry, laughter you keep it with me, all the happiness you keep with me, you can take all the sorrow in the world. Okay, God says, साला मेरे को sorrow देता है, तू समझता क्या है अपने आप को, और तू अपने पास सब खुशी रखता है. When everything is done, any problem happens in your world, God, please take care of me, you are responsible for this problem in my world. But when it is credit to you, you are the greatest thing on planet earth, तभी God याद नहीं आता है. So God is giving you a rider over here. Don't put all your kachara patti in my dustbin. You are responsible for your kachara. Okay, take care. Environmentally friendly people. He does not partake of the virtue or sin of anyone. So don't come to me, my goodness is yours and badness is also yours and happiness is yours and sorrow is yours. Nothing is mine, God says. Have you seen me doing any action? तूने कभी मेरे को देखा है मैं कुछ कर रहा हूं? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. ये सब तेरा कर्मा करता है. Understand? So these, always remember, the karma is the one who is making it happen. It's a program that is set in motion. If you get the money, it is your karma. If you don't get the money, it is your karma. You are responsible for your growth and your... Okay. This is what you have got to understand. So don't keep it at my door. Because if you keep it at my door, you don't know what I will do with it. I have to return it 1,000 times. Imagine you saying to God, please take away my sorrow. God says, okay, I'll take away 10% of your sorrow. I'll give you 10,000 times of that. Chal. Problem aayega na? So don't go and tell him, God, I am in trouble. Okay, please take my troubles away. You go and tell God, God, do one thing now. I won a lottery. You do one thing, you keep this $1 million with you. God बोलेगा कितना अच्छा लड़का है, मेरे को वो $1 million विन किया और 66% गवर्नमेंट को साला टैक्स भरता है और बोलता है $1 million तू रखना. मतलब बचा क्या है उसमें, उसका -66 आ गया ना उसको. आई नो. तुम लोग को मैथमेटिक्स आया ना कि नहीं आया? हाँ, गुड. तो साला -66,000 में गया. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, उसने मेरे को मिलियन दिया ना, उसको 1000 टाइम्स बना 1 बिलियन दे देते हैं. चलो सैंक्शन. तो लॉटरी लग गया ना तुम लोग का. तो याद रखना, नेक्स्ट टाइम गॉड को है ना $200 नहीं देने का, $2000 दो, चलेगा. मतलब somebody in some other country, maybe in Bolivia this time, that fellow will say, you're carrying dollars, huh? तुम लोग का क्रेडिट कम होएगा, लेकिन गॉड का इसमें क्रेडिट बढ़ेगा तो वो बेचारा तुमको देगा. So omnipresent God doesn't partake of your sin, neither of your sorrow. He doesn't want any of these things. So don't, next time please go to God and say, God, thank you very much for all the sorrow. Please take it away from me. बोलने का नहीं. Knowledge is enveloped by ignorance. Because we are the most confused lot. Okay. Confused lot कैसा है मालूम है? As a child we used to play this game. Open the parcel, passing the parcel. You remember passing the parcel? When we do the passing the parcel, that person who has made the parcel, he has made very trickily. उसमें है ना, उसमें सेकंड इसमें लिख के रखा था, किस द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल इन द ग्रुप. वो बराबर चालू कैरेक्टर है, उसने ऐसा सब लिख के रखा रहता है. और मुद्दम another 1 more minute. So this is what is written. So God is also like that. He has made that parcel and given it to you. और उसका अंदर कुछ नहीं रहता है. All right. You think, you shake and you आवाज आ रहा है. साला मेरे को लास्ट खोलने को मिला तो मेरे को अंदर जो है वो मिलेगा. रहता कुछ नहीं है. So knowledge is always enveloped by ignorance. So we who are always full of desires thinks, मेरे को लास्ट खोलने को मिलेगा तो कितना मजा आएगा, मेरे को लास्ट खोलने को मिलेगा तो कितना मजा आएगा. हाँ. And when we are, if we are sitting in a party in a night time, you put that pillow in somebody's hand. Do you know that? Most of the time जो चालू कैरेक्टर है ना, वो तो हाथ में लेता ही नहीं, ऐसा करके डाल देता है, ले जा, आगे डाल देता है. We do this type of things. We don't want to take credit because it's a debit actually. God is extra smart. He is looking when he is playing the music. Musical chairs कैसा है वैसा. अच्छा तूने लिया, ले, तभी म्यूजिक बराबर स्टॉप करेगा. My turn किया, I'm out. तो तेरे को आउट करे. This is what he is. He's all knowing. Remember, he's got cameras, closed circuit television cameras 24/7, every 360 degrees का पास cameras है उसके पास. सब रिकॉर्ड करता है.
Watching everyone at the same time.
Yeah. You know, he is going to tell you later on, I got so many eyes, I got so many hands and so many nose and all. So please be careful. Later on, you don't know. I'm watching you, I'm watching you. ऐसा करके है ना वो बोलने वाला है तेरे को. So everything, all this knowledge is enveloped by ignorance. We think है ना चोरी करके हम लोग खाते हैं ना, हम लोग को लगता है किसी ने देखा नहीं है, कोई देखता नहीं है, वो सब देखते रहता है. Okay, and beings are falling completely to this delusion. We always keep on falling prey to this delusion. Everything is recorded. Okay, even the portions which you think are not getting recorded are recorded. God TV, like that. So don't take credit anytime, and don't take debit also, and don't try to put it at his door. I will tell you one very funny thing. They put newspapers in the outside the door every day. Pukat me.
Yeah, one second.
They put newspapers. Yeah. They put newspapers over here. And one day we found some 4 days old newspaper lying at the door. तो वो निकाल के रजिस्ट्री ने बाजू वाले के दरवाजे पे रख दिया. उसको तो मालूम नहीं. वो किसी ने तो भी ये देखा कि मेरे यहाँ पे कचरा है, तो वो लाके हम इधर रखा, इतने उठा के इधर रखा. So I'm watching you, I'm watching you. तो ऐसा है, everything is being watched. So don't put your credit and debit at my door. Put it in your dustbin. So that means your karmas are your karmas. You have to take care of your karmas. Don't come to me with your karmas saying that please God take these away from me. God will say, सब तू करता है, मैं खाने का तेरा लफड़ा, मैं नहीं लेने वाला हूँ. So you have to suffer for it because it's a part and parcel of your world. But when we do this beautiful book, we are actually understanding techniques of getting rid of these karmas. And when you have the big boss with you, then he puts a lot of pillows under your ass when you fall down. Don't worry, he's cushioning your fall. So, yeah, sky fall. But in the sky fall, you have a lot of pillows under your fall. So you won't get hurt, but you will fall down. So we shall end over here because I have to go to far away location that is called Sentosa.